Man, I'm not in Hollywood. I'm at the agriculture conference and I got three of the most unbelievable people. But who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan.
Oh yeah, big shaka, the man in the pan. Come on, shaka, shaka. That's the one. Welcome to the man and the pan. Today I'm going to do something really exciting. One of my favorite Filipino dishes. It is Pinakbet. Okay, first of all, turn on the fire. Okay, put the oil in the pan. Okay, while the pan is heating up, I grab some garlic, I throw them in the oil, and I chop in some chopped pork. Okay, I use the pork shoulder over here. This is about half a pound, right there. Okay, and I dump the pork shoulder right in. Stir fry it all around. Good thing about Pinakbet, you can use all kind of stuff that you have in the refrigerator. So I have this whole variety of products there. I looked in my reefer and I could find all these things. So here, okay, once the pork is almost done, you throw in some brown onions, sliced brown onions, just like this. Okay, to get some flavor. Little squash ginger. I wish I had that otong beans, right? I got the string beans. Yeah, I dump these in. I had some eggplant, right? Put in some eggplant. You see how easy? I chop in the vegetables while I'm cooking. And everything going just like this, okay? Inside here, you put in some okra. Now you cannot find the fresh okra. You always can use frozen okra, right? Everybody loves okra. Okay, there you go. You stir them all up. Oh, you put in tomato. Dump in some tomato. And you know, this seems to be real healthy because there's a lot of vegetables in here. Stir everything around. And they get dashi, maybe about 3/4 cup of dashi. Okay? Then I grab some oyster sauce. Dump in about maybe 2 tablespoons. Then put in about a tablespoon of soy sauce. And in the Filipino dish, you need the patis. So I got the patis right over here. Put about 3 tablespoons patis. Then you put it on the fire and you let it go. You don't have a pan cover. All what you do is put aluminum foil. Just like this, okay? Cover it up. Okay, I think it's just about done. You know, when the vegetables are just right cooked. So, there you go, look at that. There you go, Pinakbet. Look at that. If I can look good, let's see how it tastes. Oh. Oh, wow. It's so good. In Philippines, you say, "Naimas." So until next week, we'll see you on the man and the pan. Oh. Naimas.